2018 Top Star Wars Archive Signature Series. This is 2-box break number 113. Let's go. All right, Stephen K down to Brian H. Let's copy and paste it. Good luck, everybody. 119 is the roll. Names and checklist characters 7 times each. All right, AV2 Resendo. All right, let's do checklist next. Adam Driver to Zach Jensen. All right, David Accord to John Morton. Oh, Django Fett. All right, guys. Any questions on checklist characters? Let me know. Otherwise, we'll roll it. All right. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we got in this one. All right. Check it out. The explosive Star Whirls. Who could? Uh-oh, Redemption. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I think John actually pulled him the other day. Riz Ahmed. Buyback auto. Yeah, I think John actually pulled that. I think AV may have hit it off the check. That is Riz Ahmed right there. That is Arturo. Well, if you didn't hit it the other day, man, you might have 2 now. I'm not sure. Yeah, Bodie Rook, which was a good one. Nice one there. We got 2 now, man. Keep one, sell one. I'm pretty sure he hit the other one, too. I'll ask him. AV. Here's our next one. That's from the Rogue One movie. Here's our next one in the 2 shots. And it is, oh man, nice. Kit Fisto, 10 of 12. That's awesome. That's the Chrome card, 2 cent information guide. 10 of 12 should be Zach Jensen. Sith Holochrome. Beauty. This card's display good too, man. That's what I like about him. Let's do another 2-banger. All right, Rosendo. Let me see who's got Kit. All right, Zach Jensen. I was correct. That is Brian H. Brian H. That is coming out to you. Nice hit. Excellent, guys. That is Top Star Wars Archive Signature Series 2 box. That was number 113. Thanks for joining.